According to this passage, the male mosquito's food is A. Vegetable juice, B. Other insects, C. Blood, or D. Grass leaves. In order to answer this question, let's find the key words, the male mosquito's food, in our text. These words are actually in the very first sentence of our text. The male mosquito's food is vegetable juice. Because this is one of our answers, we can just mark it as correct right now, but if you want to be cautious, we can eliminate the other choices as well. Other insects are not mentioned in the paragraph, and therefore can be crossed off as a choice. Blood, while mentioned in the paragraph, is mentioned in the context that it is only the female mosquito that drinks animal blood. Because this question is asking about the food of male mosquitoes, this can be eliminated as a choice as well. D, grass leaves, again, are not mentioned in the paragraph and can automatically be marked off. Therefore, we are left with our original choice, A, vegetable juice.